Hello everyone and a warm welcome to all the SI judges. We are Team Config and we are here to present Pramaan Setu. So what is Pramaan Setu? Pramaan Setu is a micro-credential aggregator that is aligned with the NSQF guidelines and lets users add their credential and get it verified. Okay, so let's sign up first. In here, the user can sign up through three different ways. Through learner, through employer, through an admin. But first, I am signing up as a learner. Okay, so it redirects the user to the role selected by the user depending upon learner, employer, and admin. So we are redirected to the learner page. So what is the learner dashboard? Learner dashboard lets you add credentials, view skill genome, or generate verifiable resume that can be used anywhere because it has been verified first. So now let's add a credential first. Let's use an ID. Issuing authority be NPTEL. This could be digital marketing and NSQF level at before. So let's add a credential. The credential had been added. And now we move to the admin panel to verify this. So what happens in admin panel that admin does a cryptographic attestation of this record using SHA A56 256 key so that it can be made tamper proof instantly. Now let's verify this. As you can see, the project has been verified using blockchain because it has various levels of hacking and this makes the credential very rare to be hacked. Like someone, if even reaches a database, the hacker would see a long amount of hashing string, so they won't be able to get the details of the user. Now, this can also be viewed on a polygon, and there's also a feature to attest. This can be attested using a Merkle root so that the records cannot be tampered anywhere. Now, let's attest it. So the attestation has been done within a root and a signature. And we can also view the attestation details here. So we can also view the attestations here. So now let's move to the learner's view to see what verified details have we got there. So here we have five verified credentials like cybersecurity, UI/UX design, project management, which has been just done just now. What extra does it give? It gives an AI recommended skill based on your previous verified micro credentials, what the user or the learner could learn next to boost their productivity and their skills. It also has an AI career mentor, which has all the details based on your micro credentials and can you can ask about which courses to apply for to gain those required skills, and it will tell you. There's also AI career matcher, which lets users find relevant jobs based on their skills. Also, there is a AI learning insight, which gives the learner insights based on their skills and what could they do after. Now, there's a view skill genome feature also here, where the user can view their skill genome using an interactive path like this. Okay, so the AI automatically generates a next part to it. Like we can also generate a next skill using AI. Also, there is a roadmap mode that lets you generate your own roadmap for a selected field like this. So if I have selected data scientist, it will give me a roadmap like this, and it will automatically update if I complete a certain step. Now, there is also a resume generate feature here that lets you generate a verifiable resume with all the verified records by the admin, which has been done obviously by the blockchain. So the resume has been generated here using all your skills, and this can be downloaded as well. Now, let's move to the employer dashboard. Okay, so the last one remaining is the employer dashboard. What does employer do? Employer can see all the credentials and the skills added by the user or the learner here, like this, blockchain verified, and it can also see the different graphs distributions for the credentials or the verified credentials uploaded by the user and approved by the admin. We can also see the AI hiring insights, verification status as a bar graph, strategic insights, and the latest NSQF trend, their average, etc. So, what does our platform do? In the summary, our platform lets you verify your credentials using very high level of security, using blockchain attestation, using a 256-bit key, using digital signature and a Merkle root so that the record becomes extremely safe and tamper-free. So even the person who is trying to access it, even reaches the database, tries to breach it, they can't see the details because it has been hacked so many times by the blockchain that it is not able to be tampering. So thank you everyone. Then this was our project.